welcome back to my channel, and if it's your very first time here, hey, my name is Bovana. In today's video I'm going to be talking a little bit about the wig grip, what it is and what it does. It's basically, like the name says, something that grips your wig in place, but I'll tell you a bit more about that in a bit. I just wanted to first say I haven't uploaded a video for a very long time on my channel, and I do apologize for that. I've been traveling and it was impossible to film, to edit, and to just, you know, keep up the uploads every week as I said I would. Also, when I said I was going to be uploading a video every week, I did not realize how much work goes into taking care of a newborn baby, which I've just had. Well, she's not newborn anymore, she's going towards 8 months now, but she is quite a handful, and I don't always get the chance to film and edit, which can take up a bit of time as well. So going forward, I probably will not upload every single week, just for the next few months until she's a little bit older and, you know, I can sort of tell her to sit down and be quiet and she will kind of listen. But I will try to upload as much as possible, just so that, you know, you guys get a bit of content as well. Yeah, so the wig grip. The wig grip is literally a piece of velvet cloth like this. I don't know if this velvet is. This is, I think it's velvet. If it's not velvet, then it is velour. But I think it's more velvet than it is velour. Anyway, it doesn't matter. It's a piece of cloth that you literally wrap around your head. It helps to keep your edges safe, and it also helps your wig. It also stops your wig from slipping, because this velvet material sort of creates a bit of friction, and then it stops your wig from, you know, slipping off. So that is what this wig grip is. Today I'm just going to show you guys how to use it both on a lace frontal wig and a lace closure wig. I've seen a lot of YouTubers review the wig grip, and then I've seen people use it and they claim that the wig will not slip no matter what. So I thought I should try it myself. I have tried it, and in this video I'm going to give you guys sort of like my thoughts on it. So if you'd like to see how it works, please keep watching. I do also have a giveaway at the end of this video, so do stay tuned. Okay, so the wig grip comes in different colors, or rather different shades. You find a lighter, I don't know if you can kind of see, one is lighter and one is darker. I use this one because it matches my skin tone better, and also this one is too light, so my parting tends to be way too light, so I go with this one. You do find them in other colors. I've seen a much darker brown than this, and I've also seen black, okay, but I only have these two. I will tell you guys where you can buy these in South Africa. I've seen a lady that sells it. I actually only know of one lady, but I'll link her Instagram in the description box so that you guys can you know, contact her if you're interested in purchasing. I think she only has this color though. I don't know if she has other colors, but you could obviously ask her. Otherwise, you can buy it on Amazon, buy it on Wish, or you can buy it on AliExpress as well. You find all sorts of types, all sorts of colors. Just try to not buy one that's too cheap, because then the velvet is not that good, so the wig tends to slip anyway. Okay, great. So I'm gonna wear this one. You can wear it with a wig cap, and then you can wear a wig cap and then put this over the wig cap. But I prefer not to, because it's just too much, and you know, my head kind of gets warm. So when I use this, I just use this on its own, like I am going to do now. So it has this Velcro type of thing, and then it has a really nice big, this part of the Velcro that's supposed to close the thing. So you can adjust it, is what I'm trying to say, and can't find the words too. So if your head is a bit smaller, you could always just close it here like this. I'm going to wear it now, and I normally wear this part of it, this sort of the part that isn't stitched to the front of the wig, just because the other part can also kind of show through the wig. And this is really nice for if you have a lace closure wig and normally I tend to make my closure wigs with clips, but a lot of people do not like the clips because it gets uncomfortable and it can also damage your edges a little bit depending on how you use it. So if you're one of those people that do not like the clips, then this would work much better for you because then it still keeps your wig from slipping. I still prefer the clips because it works for me. It doesn't do anything to my edges, and I just feel more secure putting the clips in. But you could use this if you, yeah. And also if you have a really sensitive hairline, you probably want to use this because it does keep your edges sort of secured. You know what I mean? You want to put your edges in like that a bit, and in like that a bit. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna start with a closure wig and I'm gonna show you guys how it looks. So it's quite nice because this wig grip, if you're wearing the right color, it kind of gives you a very defined parting, as you guys can see, which is also very nice. And if the parting is a bit too white or too light, all you can do is just put a bit of foundation on. That also works, but it kind of gives you a beautiful parting, which I really like. Let's test it. Okay, that didn't work. Okay, that did not work. Let's just see what is happening here. I didn't put it in right. Okay, yeah, I didn't put it in right, so I'm gonna the way you know that it's not put in right is that it needs, if it's smooth going that way, it's not put in right. Okay, because remember this is velvet, so you want friction. I can feel if I go the other way around, there's a bit of friction, so that means I haven't put it in properly. So I'm just gonna try and adjust it now to make sure that, so I've turned it around. Yeah, that's much better. It's the right way around. So there should be a bit of friction going that way because it's supposed to grip the wig, you know, and stop it from slipping. Okay, so when you wear this, just make sure that you're wearing it the right way. So I'm gonna do that again, put in the wig again, and let's test that. There you go. Do you see? It's not slipping, you know, it's in place. So that friction on the velvet thing kind of keeps the wig from slipping. Okay, there we go. It's amazing. So I'm gonna try it with a lace frontal wig now because really that's what I'm interested in, just to see if I can, you know, wear my lace frontal wig without having to gel it down, do the whole shebang, because sometimes I am really in a hurry and I'm like running, and I also don't want to wear my wig just like that because, you know, I do know that if I'm going, people always want to touch, they want to hug you, so your wig tends to slip and you're not always away. So to avoid that embarrassing scenario, I thought this would be a good idea just to keep my wig from dripping. So I'm going to try the lace frontal wig now and see how it works, but so far so good. I mean, if you pull hard enough, it does come out, it does slip slightly, but it kind of slips with the grip, which means that the grip is actually holding your wig in place. So here I have my lace frontal wig. It does not have any clips at all, just the elastic band. Make sure this thing is properly in. I need a mirror for this one to make sure that. Oh. And then you just want to make sure that on the sides here, your lace is on top of the grip and not under it. That's what I'm doing now. Okay. I do have to move this a bit back, because as you can see here, you can kind of see where the grip ends, but that you can kind of fix with makeup. Okay, so don't worry about that too much. And if you're wearing the correct color grip, it's not that visible unless somebody really comes in like really close to you. So either way, you can leave it like that. You're not too anal like I am. Okay, so no way, going nowhere, guys. Like, I am literally like, my head aches because I'm pulling so hard. This thing is not moving. This is amazing. I love this. So it works much better for the lace frontal wig. Not much better, but you know, it has more of a use for the lace frontal wig as opposed to a closure wig. Because a closure wig is kind of already secure, and you know, it does not have that much lace. Whereas a frontal wig has a lot of lace. Because remember that friction kind of really only works with the lace. Okay. Guys, this is so good. I don't even have to gel down my wig. I mean, obviously if I want to gel it down on the sides, I would, just because, you know, if I want to pull up my hair. But in this case, I don't want to pull up my hair. I want to wear my hair loose. I'm in a hurry, I'm running out the door, don't have time to baby hair, gel down. I just wear this thing and I go. It makes a beautiful parting because, you know, the color sort of comes through the lace. And guys, when I say it is not moving, I mean it is not moving. This is amazing. So I'm gonna go and put just a little bit of makeup there, which I probably won't if I'm in a hurry, because like I said, you really cannot see unless you like really looking deep. Oh my gosh, guys, the wig grip is the plug. Like, I cannot believe I've been sleeping on this thing for so long. Look at this, guys. This is wow. I'm amazed. And a few things amaze me, guys. So when I say I'm amazed, you need to like really believe me. I'm amazed. So that's it, guys. Now, I would say it's better to use this if you have a wig like this one that you normally use without gluing it down. So it would work for a glueless wig, which is the type of wigs that have elastic bands and you do not need to sort of glue it down. You can just wear and go. Although you can kind of create baby hairs to keep it in place, but you don't need to. If it's not a glueless lace frontal wig, meaning it's one that requires gluing down, and in which case the flaps will be very loose because the purpose of the wig is to glue down. Okay, that type of wig I don't think will work. If you're gonna gel it down, what's the point of wearing the wig? You know what I mean? So it only works for glueless lace frontal wigs, lace closure wigs, and even like glueless 360 wigs. Anything that doesn't require glue for you to wear, you can use the wig grip for. If it requires a lot of glue for you to wear the wig, then it kind of defeats the purpose of wearing the wig grip because you're already going to glue the wig down anyway. That is it, guys. That is the end of this video, or of this experiment. Now I want to tell you guys a bit about the giveaway that I am doing. I did say in the beginning of the year that I wanted to give back. It's one of the things I wanted to do this year. I wanted to just, you know, stretch my hand and help somebody up, just because I feel I've been tremendously blessed in so many ways. I mean, I have a roof over my head, a loving family, food to eat every day, a job, just normal things that not everybody has. I've been fortunate enough to be able to start my own business, and it's been going well. I mean, I could use some help, but you know, it will grow. I know it will, and I feel like it's time for me to just help somebody else up as well. So the way I found of doing that was I want to give away a crash course on wig making to up to 5 people. Okay, so if you know anybody that would benefit from getting a full wig course, how to make the wigs, not just how to make the wigs, but also like how to run a business, a hair business, what are some of the challenges I've come across and how I sort of overcame them, and then just tips and tricks on how to deal with suppliers, where to purchase, you know, as a small business, how to sort of stay afloat. So I want to give at least 5 people that gift this year. I will be offering the course in August, so 2 months from now. So what I want you guys to do is please comment below. If you know somebody that could use this course, please just tag them. Or if you would like the course, just comment down below as well. Actually, I want you guys to email me. I'll leave my email here. Email me if you're interested in the course. Tell me why you're interested in the course, and I'm going to send you guys more details on the course in the next few weeks. You must be following all of my social media handles. That is Twitter, Facebook, if you're on Facebook, because I find that not everybody's on Facebook. Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and you need to subscribe to my blog and my YouTube channel. So I'm going to leave the handle to all of that in the description box below and here at the end of the video. Make sure if you're really interested in taking this course that you're doing all that. So yeah, let me not talk on and on and on. Take a friend, email me, and tell me why you would benefit from this course, and we will take it from there. Other than that, thank you guys for tuning in. I always really appreciate your time and your support, and I love you guys so much. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.